Hi first grade, today we are going to play a little game called Coins on Board, and it's going to give us a refresher on the value of certain coins and give us some practice with addition. Our target today is I can express the value of coins, and the way that we're going to express the value of coins today is through addition. So you don't have this page, this is a teacher page. I'm going to use this to demonstrate what we're going to do today, and then we're going to play a game together in real time in your student book. So before you continue, you need to grab your student book and a pencil, and we're going to be on page 66. It looks like this. So if you need a minute to go grab those materials, pause and then come back. In the meantime, I'm going to just demonstrate our game using the teacher page, and then we will play together on the student book page. So as a reminder, nickels are worth 5 cents. Pennies are worth 1 cent, and dimes are worth 10 cents. And you can see that we have a grid here, right? And in this pile, I have little cards that have a letter and a number. So for example, if I pulled A3, I go to column A, and I go to row 3, and where they meet in the middle is the coin that I'm going to pick. So in this case, it would be a nickel for 5 cents. And then I'm going to record it under the teacher side or the student side. And then we're going to add them up to find out who had the most. So again, if I had to, if I was drawing another coin, I'm going to go to D1 and I land on a dime. So I will work through these with you guys so that we can find the coin, and we're just going to practice for now. So let's grab a different card. So remember, you don't have this page. This is a teacher page. This is just how we're going to practice together. All right, so I pulled the card A2. So I'm going to find the letter A. I'm going to find the number 2, and where they meet is a penny. So I'm going to give the teacher 1 cent. Okay, now it's a student card. C3. So I find the letter C, I find the number 3, and where they meet is the coin. So the students get 1 cent. Okay, the teacher, find the letter B, find the number 3, and where they come together is the coin. So the teacher gets 10 cents. Okay, the students, B2. They meet at 1 cent. Okay. C2, 5 cents. A4, 5 cents. So we would play until this entire coordinate board is empty and we've gone through all of the coordinates. Once we do that, you're going to add up the coins to see who has the most. So remember, when we're working with money, it's easiest to start with the bigger number. So if I'm adding up the teacher side, I'm going to start with 10. I'm going to say 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 more is 16 cents, right? 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals 16. Then I'm going to go to the student side. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So we could write it 5 plus 1 plus 1, or 5 plus 2. Either way, the students got 7 cents. All right, so now is the time that we're going to play together on your student book page. So remember, our target is I can express the value of coins. You are working on page 66 with me, and we're going to play this like a live game like we would if we were together. So I'm going to be pulling the cards for the grid, and you're going to be marking it off here on your base 10 blocks. So if I pulled, for example, A1 and I got a nickel is worth 5 cents. So I'm going to color in 5 cents in my base 10 blocks. If I get a penny, then I color in 1 of my base 10 blocks. And we're going to keep track with the teacher and the student. So just like we've played these games before in class, we're going to play them in real time together. But the nice thing is with the video that if I go too fast or if you missed something, you can pause and restart, or you can rewind. At the end, we're going to have this entire page completed, and you're going to fill out some information, snap a picture, and send in your completed sheet in Class Dojo. All right, so let's get started. We'll start with the students first. A2, A2. So we cross off A2. A penny is worth 1 cent, so we color in 1. Teacher, C3. Cross it out. A penny is worth 1 cent, so we color in 1. Okay, students, B3. So we go to B up to number 3, and you guys got 10 cents. So remember, we're working to be efficient counters, and instead of me counting 1 at a time until I get to 10, I know that if I have one whole base 10 strip filled up, that it's automatically 10. I already have 1 here, so I only have 9 left. So I know that 1 plus the 10 is 11. So I know that I can fill in this entire base 10 block, right? 10, 11. Because we had a penny and we added a dime. And 1 plus 10 is 11. Okay, teacher, B2. Miss Ackerman got another penny, so 1 more cent. Students, C2. So I want you to think, what coin is this and how much is it worth? So go ahead and take the time to fill in the value of this coin over here in your base 10 blocks. So C2 is a nickel, and it's worth 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys are winning. All right, teacher, A4, a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents, so I'm going to color 5. 3, 4, 5. Student, D2, penny, color in 1 cent. Teacher, A3. I got another nickel. So I know I have 3 left, so I'm going to be an efficient counter and say 3, 4, 5. So remember, if I go too fast or if you need to see a coordinate again, pause or rewind the video. Students, D1. So you guys got 10. A dime is worth 10 cents. So we know that we have 3 left here, and we know that when we think about our Friends of 10 rainbow, right? 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3. So I know that if I have 3 left here, to make 10, I need to color 7 here. So I'm going to say 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go ahead and take some time to catch up, and I'll pause for just a little bit. All right, teacher, A1. So I got another 5 cents. I have 3, 4, 5. Students, B4. You got a penny. Penny is worth 1. Teacher, C4. C4 is what coin and how much is it worth? C4 is a dime and it is worth 10 cents. So I have the same situation over here. I have 3 left here to finish out my base 10 block. And I know that a friend of 10 in friends of 10, the friend of 3 is 7. So I know that I need to add 7 more here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will get me to 10. Okay, if you need to take some time here, go ahead and pause. I'm going to move on to students. Students, D4. Penny, and it's worth 1 cent. Teacher, B1. That's a dime and it's worth 10 cents. And again, I have the same situation. I have 3 left to finish off this base 10 block. So I can color in 3 and 7 more over here will get me to 10. So 3, here's my 7. Okay, and I'm done. All right, last card. I want you to tell me the coordinate. So look at what we have left and tell me the coordinate of the last coin. Here's our last coin. And our coordinate is the letter D and the number 3. So D3 is your last coordinate for students, and you guys got a dime. So now we have 1 left to finish off this base 10 block. And our friends of 10, 9 is the friend of 1. So I know that I can color 1 more in here, and I need to color 9 here to make 10. So 1, and 10. Okay, the last thing that you guys need to do on your own is to calculate how much money the teacher has and how much money you guys have and write the numbers here. Okay, so you need to fill in this box and this box, and then you're going to write an inequality statement here. So you're going to use the teacher's money and the student, and you're going to use an inequality symbol here. So greater than, less than, or equal to is going to go here. So calculate the teacher's money, calculate the student's money, and write an inequality statement in this box. When you're done, I want you to send the completed sheet as a picture file in Dojo.